In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use gaming headphones without a splitter on Windows 10 or Windows 11 and whether or not it is possible to do this. The short answer to the question in the title of this video is that as of today, in general, it is possible for you to use a gaming headset or set of gaming headphones without a splitter, but most of the time, it is going to depend on whether or not you are able to use it to have the audio and the microphone. So this is going to depend on how modern the gaming headphones or the gaming headset are and which functions or features it supports. So most modern headsets, especially those made for laptops, consoles, and mobile devices, have a single 3.5mm jack. This type of connector is known as TRRS. This one will combine both the audio and the microphone inputs into one plug. Alternatively, you might also see TRS headphones or headsets. These are dual plugs, so they will have two separate 3.5mm jacks, and each of them will be used for a distinct function, primarily audio and the microphone input. If you have one that only has the option to use TRS, then you will need to use two ports on your PC or combine them into one cable only using a splitter. So in that case, you can't avoid it. But if yours only has a single cable because it is combining both the audio and the microphone, then you just have to plug it in directly. If you notice that your headphones only has a specific cable, so only one cable, however, your PC has separate ports, then in general, there isn't much that you can do without a splitter. If your desktop PC or some older laptop models have a separate jack, so a green one for headphones and a pink one for the microphone, then you will need to use a splitter. Unless it has a specific port where you are able to plug in the TRRS cable that combines both the audio and the mic, then you will not be able to use them without a splitter. Your PC needs to have the correct port to be able to do this. So instead of using the green one for the headphones or the pink one for the microphone, find a port that supports both, usually labeled as TRRS or called a combo jack. If your PC is old and you notice that it only has the two distinct audio and microphone ports, then sadly there isn't much to do. You will need to use a splitter in order to use both the headset for audio and the microphone. So keep all of that in mind. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had. If this video answered them, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.